BandFill. Here you will see how easily BandFill is applied. BandFill is a hot applied sealer with high skid resistance. It can be used for sealing cracks in the road surface, as well as joints and edges of repaired asphalt areas. The surface material will provide initial skid resistance and prevent the repaired area to appear as a ghost mark. BandFill prevents water ingress and progressive fretting. This minimizes the risk of the cracks getting larger and helps you avoid more extensive repairs. BandFill is easy to handle and leaves no waste. It is compatible with all asphalt surfaces, and with the use of a primer, it can also be installed on non-bituminous surfaces. In fact, it can be applied all year round, even in low temperatures. Here is how to do it. Clean application area thoroughly by removing all sand, dirt, chemicals and oily substances. Use a heat torch to remove any moisture on the surface and in the cracks. Place BandFill on the road surface with the beaded top coat facing up. Make sure the individual pieces are positioned correctly at the center of the crack. Now, heat BandFill using a powerful heat torch. The pressure should be minimum 3 bar. To make sure that the heat is evenly distributed, move the flame slowly but steadily 20 to 30 centimeters over the material in a sweeping motion. BandFill must be heated until all the material is liquid. To make sure that sufficient heat has been applied to the repair, check for the following things on the application. The material is liquid and starts to bubble. The edges of the material have settled against the road surface. The individual pieces have fused together into one marking. Depending on the air temperature, BandFill will cool down and harden within 5 to 10 minutes after installation. Gevico Markings makes preventive road maintenance easy, providing the complete solution for almost any type of road and surface damage. Contact your supplier or Gevico Markings to learn more. Together, we can keep the roads safe.